I want that one.
So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Me, Oz and Ellen are going to be staying here at home today. We're not feeling too great. We woke up and our cold, well my cold especially, is just not budging at the moment. And Oz is just feeling a little bit worn out. He didn't sleep that well last night. So the boys are taking over the vlog today. Now I'm usually the person behind the camera. But today Kev is going to be doing the camera work and all the narration of the vlog. They are heading down to Salcedo market to have a little look around. It's supposed to be a really great market. We've also heard of another one that happens on Sundays that we're going to check out tomorrow. Hopefully if we're doing a bit better by then. But they're taking over. They're going to go and film their little food adventure. So please be kind in the comments. They don't usually do the filming. And I think they've done an amazing job and I hope they're having a great time. And I can't wait to see what kind of treats they bring back for us, because that's the most exciting part, is trying all of the treats and the great food here. So yeah, I'm gonna pass you over to them. Have a great day and I will definitely be in the next one. I will be fine, don't worry about it. Have a good day, and yeah, Kev's gonna take it from here.
Good morning, and me and Harriet are going rogue. We're going to Salcedo market and we're seeing what we can buy for around 2,000 pesos. Let's go. So Salcedo market's 15-minute walk from where we are staying, and we've never been this way, so it'll be interesting if we can get there first time or we're going to get lost. So it looks like we're coming up to the entrance to the market, and I'm so excited to see what's on offer. Let's find out what we can buy.
We did find some fried banana, didn't we? Or was it cooked banana?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Sun's shining, as always. And yeah, just gonna have a look around and then we're gonna go find some bits and bobs.
What is it?
Japanese pancakes. And only 13 Philippine pesos. Not bad.
You want to try one?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. One Japanese pancake. What? Hazelnut and chocolate? Yeah, hazelnut and chocolate.
So do you want to try it?
Yeah. Ooh, hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah. So
how much was it?
30 pesos in total, and we got the hazelnut and chocolate.
Is it nice?
Fluffy. Ooh, big bite. Hot, isn't it?
Very hot.
Yeah.
So it goes all around this like centre park, and they've got some stalls inside the park as well.
Yeah, we'll go.
So what we'll do, we'll go inside the park and see what's in there as well. do like a triangular bread roll called a huffer. So they're like soft bread roll.
Soft bread roll.
Yeah. It's called a huffer. And
I've never heard of
it's amazing bread.
Oh, okay.
And also some sourdough, but sourdough's hard work.
Sourdough is hard work. Just ask Jeff's wife. We do muffins, but we sold the muffins. The muffins, the English muffins are lovely.
I just got talking to Madge's from Madge's Crumpets and Cookies and Confections. She's from Australia, and I noticed she had some crumpets. So obviously I had to buy some because crumpets at home are very, very popular. So Harry's got the crumpets.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to try them.
They have some scones. We might do that next week, won't we?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Right, let's see what else we can find.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good.
Good, good. I see you've got some nice crumpets there from Madge.
Yeah. Oh,
Sourdough.
do you know what? Mummy's been watching about Focaccia all morning because she's been dreaming about it.
About what, sir?
Focaccia.
Oh!
Oh. Will I be a
we
saviour
missed
and take that home to her? Or shall I go and treat myself to something else?
Ooh, don't answer that on the grounds it might
And
incriminate
I've got it
you.
on video, so. So we've just picked up some chorizo to
Tastes
go
really
for
nice.
dinner. That'd be really nice.
It tastes really nice.
And this guy's doing some lovely
Woodcock.
woodwork.
Definitely recommend going to this chorizo place.
It was
Trying
really
it out.
nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, shall we go around and back out and see what else we can find? These are lovely. Sort of reminds me of what Mummy did on her pots. So we just got Daladan, which is like an orange,
Yeah.
and it was 50 pesos, which is quite cool. Was it nice?
Yeah.
Mm.
So that's pretty average. Pretty tasty as well.
Right.
We're just gonna get some fruit now, and we might head off.
270.
So what have we gone for?
Pork barbecue, pig ear, like pork ear, and
It's
chicken intestine.
yeah, and what do they call it? Isso.
Isso.
Mm.
It is barbecue pork and on a skewer. That is nice.
Is it?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Mm. Do you want to try the next one?
Try this one.
Isso.
Isso, aka chicken intestines. Actually, that's not bad.
Do you like it?
Kind
What does it taste like?
It's kind of hard to explain. It's like chewy.
Is it really chewy?
No, it's not really chewy. It's just chewy. I don't know why.
So first time ever trying chicken intestine. So let's go.
Yeah? No?
Yeah. The thought of it was worse than what it is, but it is very chewy.
Yeah.
But it's not unpleasant.
We've got one more.
And pig's ear.
Yeah.
You're gonna try, give pig's ear a try?
Flimsy stick. Again, really chewy. Again, what it sounds like isn't as bad as what it tastes like. That's really nice. And again, chewy.
It's got a bit of a... It's got a bit of a crunch as well, I guess, from the cartilage. But yeah, again, all very pleasant. That is us done at Salcedo
Market.
And did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I think it was really good. I was really surprised by the meat that we just had on skewers, because I thought the chicken intestines didn't sound pleasant, but it actually, when you taste it, tastes really chewy but nice. And that Japanese pancake we had earlier, really chocolatey, and I really like them thick and fluffy, and I thought that was really tasty compared to the usual pancakes we have.
So that's us done on the market, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!
Bye.